Hello guys, today I've got the HONOR MagicPad 4 and I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset, the hard reset on this device. So at first you need to open the settings and now scroll all the way down to the system and updates. Here reset, now tap reset tablet, and now here you need to tap reset tablet to reset tablet, to factory settings. This will delete all data from your device, including accounts, app data and system settings, installed applications, music, photos, files, security chip contents, and locally start system, app, and personally directed to HONOR IDs. And you should, if you have some lock screen set up, like for example pattern or passcode or anything else, you should be prompted to enter it here after tapping reset tablet. I won't do it because I need my data, but that's how to perform a factory reset. Goodbye.